Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mimi's Place. Today is Saturday, it's May 3rd, 2025, and I am feeling so much better, and I couldn't wait to get back on here and give you guys some more great tips and hints and frugal strategies to help you through these tough times, okay? So this is May, and me and Misty are doing a Make It May, where we're just going to be making everything from scratch. So she did mention it in one of her videos yesterday, or was it the day before? My days are all mixed up this week. But you could go back to her channel and you'll find the video where she is mentioning things that she's going to be making in the month of May. I am doing it as well. This is not a collab. She doesn't want to do a challenge or anything, but I'm going to do a challenge, okay? So Make It May. If you're going to be making anything at all in May, it can be cleaning products, your own beauty products, your own everything, anything you make from scratch or from as much from scratch as you possibly can without buying that item in the store. So you could just do a video of it, you put your title on it, and tag me in the title so that I know that you are participating, and I'd love to add it to my playlist. So it's going to be Make It May. So you can put the title, Make It May, at Mimi's Place, okay? So anyway, I am going to make something today. Do you remember last week I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought some non-food items that I needed? So the first thing that I want to make for May is I'm making my own Lysol wipes. Now, during COVID, I had an abundance of baby wipes, like thousands. Not because of COVID, but I just had them. And I decided that I was just going to make my own. So I had Lysol wipes when no one else did. And I found that when I do Lyft and Uber Eats, or anything, or anytime, these are nice to have in the car. Okay, so it's not a big pack, but like I said, every couple of passengers, I wipe down everything, and then I spray with Lysol as well. So I'm just going to take that little thing, that little plastic thing off. I'm going to leave these in here. I have some Lysol here. Remember the little bottles that I buy from the Dollar Tree? Now, you're going to want to dilute it. This bottle had about a third, almost a half. I'd say it's about a third. And I put the rest with water. And this is, it dilutes it, and you don't need a whole lot of Lysol. This is a very easy thing to make. You're just going to pour the diluted Lysol. You don't have to use a lot. I'm just going to let it sit. Just let it sit for a minute. I'm going to do the other one. And I'm going to put the seal back on it. And I have my own Lysol wipes for about $2.50. So I will have and the thing about this is too, it's not only being frugal and doing this. My thing is, I want to make sure I have it. I like my home clean, and I want to make sure that I have what I need to get the job done. So that is more than enough. So I'm going to close the covers. Shake them up a little bit. You don't even really have to. But so, for $2.50, okay? By the way, this is one of the Lysols I got from the Dollar Tree last year when me and Misty were doing a challenge in the month of May. So, again, $1.25. It's lasted me a year. And I bought some more for backups. I also do a spray bottle with one. So now, for the cost, $2.50, I now have 64 Lysol wipes. I like to use these to wipe down the countertops, chairs after people leave, a quick wipe down of the bathroom, door handles. One is always great to keep in your car. You just never know when you're going to need it. There are so many things that you can do with baby wipes. I have another way of doing some wipes, and I'm going to show you that in another video for the month of May. But for this very first recipe for Make It May is make your own Lysol wipes, okay? So don't forget to make something in May from scratch on your own. Put Make It May in the title, and then just tag me in it, and we can't wait to watch your video and see what you guys come up with. It doesn't have to be food. It just could be something that you made from scratch. It could be compost. It could be anything. Did you make curtains for your kitchen? Did you, anything at all that you made that you did not have to go to the store and buy? Did I have to go buy the baby wipes? Yeah, but I knew what I was doing with them, so it's not a big deal. Okay, guys, so I hope that you like this video. I hope that everyone participates in Make It May. And don't forget to head on over to Life with Misty and check out, she just put up a great haul video. You're not going to want to miss it. I hope you guys have a blessed Saturday, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye-bye.